So friends, in today's video, we will learn how to create premium-looking characters using Autodraft AI. We'll go to our browser, search for Autodraft AI, and click on the first link in the results to reach the Autodraft website. Now we'll click on the Start Creation Journey button and log in. I'm logging in with Google, but you can also log in with email or Facebook. After logging in, we've reached Autodraft's homepage. Here we'll click on the Create Animation tab and save our project. Now we're on Autodraft AI's animation page, where we'll click on the AI character button and enter the character creator. Now we're going to start creating an AI character, so watch this process carefully. First, we'll select character styles. Here we can see 3 styles. Comic, which will generate our characters in comic style. 3D for 3D style. And realistic for realistic style characters. We'll select the comic style for now. Now we need to select character structures. Here we can see many different types of characters, such as man, girl dress, girl t-shirt, old man, old woman. We'll use these structures as a base and create new characters with their help. I'm selecting the man structure right now. As soon as I select any structure, this info card will open and we'll get more information about that structure. What type of characters you can create with it, and some template prompts. We can directly click on this Use Prompt button to use the prompt directly. Or we can click on this Continue button and write our own prompt. For now, we'll click on the Continue button and then click on this Generate Prompt button. Clicking on Generate Prompt will give us a new prompt for this structure, and it will be specifically for this structure. After getting the prompt, we can edit it according to our preferences. We'll click on this Create button without editing it and wait for the character to generate. After the character is generated, we can see 2 options here: Discard and Next. If your character hasn't generated correctly or you don't like the character, you can click on Discard and create a new one. We want to use this character, so we'll click on Next and let it load into the customization section. From here, we can customize the character by selecting different eyes, hands, and mouth packs. Here we can see many eye packs, but we'll keep the default selected. First, we'll correct the position of our character's head. For this, we'll pan and zoom to the head and click on this Edit button, which allows us to select parts and move and resize them. Now I'll adjust the head and position it correctly. After setting the head position, we'll click on this Next button and move to the hand pack section. From here, we can select different hand packs for the character, but we'll keep the default selected and click Next. Now we've reached the mouth pack section. Here we can see many mouth packs, such as horror mouth, female mouth, anime mouth, zombie mouth, and many more. We'll keep the default mouth selected for now and click Next. Now we've reached the Character Editor tab, where we'll make final adjustments to our character. From here, we can move, lock, delete, and replace character parts. Before starting adjustments, we'll turn on the skeleton mode, which will make editing the character easier. We need to adjust this character's eyes, so we'll first lock the character's head, which will prevent the head from being selected and make it easier to move the eyes. To lock a layer, we'll go to this head section and click on this lock button, which will lock that layer. Now we'll first set this right eyebrow correctly, and then this left eyebrow. Now we'll adjust the white part of the eye and bring it to the correct position. After adjusting the eye white, we'll lock these layers. Here we'll lock the eyelids and white layer. Locking these layers will make it easier to adjust the eyeballs. We'll adjust both eyeballs. After adjusting all character parts, we'll check all animations using the animation preview to ensure all animations are working correctly. All our animations are working correctly. Now we'll turn off this skeleton mode, click on this Save Character button, give the character a name, and click this button to save it. Now let's use this AI-created character in our animation. We'll go to the Character tab, select this character, and add our preferred animations. I'm adding the High animation. You can use any animation from these 200 animations with this character. Now we'll create some more AI characters. We'll go to the AI Character tab, select the 3D style, and select this girl dress structure. We'll select the first template prompt, edit it according to our preferences, and click on this Create button to generate the character. Our girl dress character is ready, so we'll click on it to load it into the character creator and adjust its head. We'll keep the default eyes selected and click Next. We'll also keep the hands and mouth default and click Next to go to the editor. We'll adjust and enlarge the mouth. Finally, we'll turn on the skeleton to check if everything is aligned with the skeleton. And lastly, we'll preview its animations. Then we'll turn off the skeleton and save this character too. Now let's create a short animation using these AI characters. Going to the Assets panel, I'll add this background to my scene. Now we'll go to the Characters panel and add our created AI character with a walking animation to the scene. Now I'll adjust it and apply the Path tool, making it walk from here to there. Now I'll select this animation layer, split it, and add the fall down front animation to the second part using the Animate panel. This will make our character collide with this rock and fall. Now I'll split this layer once more and go to Animate to add the sleeping on stomach animation, so our character will remain lying on the ground after falling. Now we'll select our second AI character, add the laugh animation, and select this layer to split it into 3 parts. For the first part, we'll go to Animate and choose the idle animation. For the second part, the look around animation. And for the last part, we'll keep laugh and set the timing for all 3. We'll also add a walking sound effect by going to the audio panel. Now we'll play it to see, and we'll also download this animation. I'll download it in full HD 1080p, but you can download it in up to 4K resolution. So you've seen how easily we created these AI characters and used them in our animation video. You can also follow these same steps to create your preferred animated AI character. Thank you for watching the video until the end.